Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Brother Not Brother.
And we are back with another episode of Mozzarella Sticks.
Yes, we have, as you can kind of see poking out of the bottom of the frame here, various different things to bread mozzarella sticks with. These are all your suggestions.
Such a big hit last time.
Go through each one and share them. So this first one is Bacon Ritz, suggested by
Lisa.
That's right. And then we have
Pizza Pringles, suggested by
SNW Heather. Snow Heather? Pizza Pringles. Charlotte PB suggested Cheetos.
What is it? Spicy?
The spice.
Flamin' Hot Nacho Doritos
by Troy Campbell. He also suggested quite a few other ones, but Snow Heather, I think it is, also suggested Bugles. And our friend Lisa suggested blueberry muffins and Red Lobster rolls, so we're trying this one too.
Interesting flavors.
So we're gonna try all of these, and there was some crossover, and then even more of you guys have commented other things. If you suggest more things in the comments below,
we will do it.
Yeah, we'll do another episode.
Yes.
So let's just dive in. We've got our string cheeses and flour, egg wash, and then we've blended up each of the things and then made the batter out of the doughy things that you kind of can put it together, right? So we're just gonna put these together and start frying them up.
Okay. Oh boy.
Coming out. They're gooey. Look at that though. They're not overcooked.
Oh
no! Quick, pull it out.
Going as fast as I can.
The cheese is just gooing out the side on these guys.
Heck, why?
Because they're melted. Bacon Ritz. Well, we've already done the pizza Pringles, so Bacon Ritz now.
Try not to apply pressure.
Yeah, right. So those things like, don't squeeze them.
They look good though.
Yeah, they do. All right, next we want to do the bugles.
Bugles.
Oh wow, look at that cheese.
Oh,
Cheetos. Cheetos. We're getting like flake off on it.
might have been a Mayday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Mayday. Mayday.
Mayday.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need the big scoop?
Whoa, yeah, maybe. They all just
Mayday.
all the way out. Huh?
Yes.
What was this one?
Biscuit dough.
Oh my gosh.
Mayday.
Let's put them on a different plate. That didn't work. So because that last one didn't work out as well, I'm gonna try and finger gun this one. And hopefully this helps. stay together. I really hope. I don't know if it's actually working or not. We'll see. It might turn out just like the ones before. Didn't work out?
No, Mayday.
This for the Blu-ray one?
Yeah, Mayday 2.0. They just come out cheese completely separate. Dang.
So weird. You would think that it would.
I wonder,
What if we put these ones in the freezer?
like freeze the batter to it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
20 minutes later.
Well, we tried, you guys. We genuinely tried. As you can see, it didn't work out. We kept trying, but it's not gonna work out. I'm sorry. But let's get back to the cooking. We still have our Flamin' Hot Cheetos one. Seems like dry breading is the only way to go. Or pancake. For some reason, the pancake batter worked. I don't know what we did different.
Okay. Let's go back to our original genius idea.
Yep. We got the Flamin' Doritos.
Ooh, that has changed the color of that oil.
I was hoping they'd turn out like funnel cake.
Funnel cake.
Funnel cake, yeah. The biscuits. Muffins. Dude, that color is like BAM! Beautiful. Alright, you guys, we finished, and boy, do they look good.
Yes, they do.
These Flamin' Hot Doritos are so bright. Like, bam! Like, so do the Cheetos though. Like, look at the difference in color there. That is insane. We got quite a selection. Do we want to start with the pizza Pringles since that's what we did?
Pizza Pringles.
All right.
Erica, did you want to try it?
It's cooled a little bit. Very cool. Got a cavern in it.
That's really good.
The pizza flavor still comes through. And it's mozzarella cheese and pizza. Like this is what it should be.
It's a pizza stick.
Yeah.
All right. This is what?
It's bacon Ritz.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, that like really brings out the bacon flavor.
but like it's subtle, and then it just.
Oh yeah. Good idea on the bacon Ritz, Lisa. Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Oh.
that is damn good.
That is so good. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Bugles. Bugles are next.
Bugles. That is different.
Yeah. Different is a good word for it.
It's not my favorite.
What are bugles made from? Corn. Okay. So it's basically like a Frito. That's what it tastes like, Fritos.
So far, that's my least favorite.
Yeah, it's not bad,
No.
but it's definitely not the best. That bacon one was
Next, we have Cheetos.
The orange.
Very orange.
I'm getting a lot of cheese flavor coming through.
I'm not gonna end Cheeto flavor.
Like, yeah, it's a cheese stick wrapped in cheese, but like it's not that Cheeto cheesy flavor. Underwhelming. I'd say this probably isn't even as good as the bugle.
The flavor's not there.
I think
No.
it tastes like a Cheeto, but it's
Really?
not your typical Cheeto.
I want to try just a regular Cheeto. Yeah, no, that's what I wanted. But that's not what I got.
It's like the flavor just like disappeared.
Okay, let's touch on these other two. We have a couple of redheaded stepchilds over here. This is our blueberry muffin mix.
Yep.
It turned into a cheese monster melty. It just kind of melted and the breading didn't stick.
But
I was hoping it would turn out like a funnel cake, but we're gonna try it anyway.
it is very oily.
Let me grab some breading here. Oh, maybe not. Just gotta fork it there. Ooh! Yeah! I'd be down to just put some batter in the fryer and try that.
I got a lot of oil.
That's good. That's really good. I like that. Okay. And our other mistake that we tried, we genuinely tried, you guys saw.
This is the lobster.
This is the red lobster roll,
bread roll
biscuit dough
stuff.
stuff. I'm not sure how to get a bit out of this thing. Pretty tasty, right, Blonde Bombshell?
Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. I wish it would have worked out.
Yeah. I don't have anything good, so.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That is.
We'll have to come back to these.
We'll have to
And kind
figure
of
out how to
master.
get, like, maybe freezing the cheese and freeze the whole thing together.
Maybe.
I don't know. But that is really good.
That's good.
Wow. Oh man.
I like that one.
It has so much potential. I'm really disappointed that it didn't work.
Whatever this
Figure
means.
it out.
Whatever this means.
Finagle it.
Our last one, Flamin' Hot Doritos. These guys are just neon red. Just like in your face, bam. Not getting a lot of spicy smell from it.
Here we go. Oh.
That's hot.
Ooh.
No.
It's not hot. Well, I
There's some
expected
spice, but
It's not flaming hot.
not like it is in pizza chip.
Yeah, this
And
is
it's very corn.
very corn chip
Honestly,
forward flavor.
it reminds me of this like Hispanic meal.
You know,
Yeah, I get Mexican.
these are
I don't
the
hate it.
freshest ones, and so the cheese is pulling the best on these guys.
Oh, hey, yeah.
Yeah. It's definitely not my favorite. I'm sorry, but the bacon Ritz takes it for me. If the what's it called, the Red Lobster rolls would have worked, that would have been my favorite. Probably seconded by the blueberry. But because those two didn't work, it's got to be the bacon Ritz. A dry batter seems to work easier for things. I think we said this last time. We wanted to freeze the cheese first, and we still didn't do that. We have all these ideas. So maybe next time, if you guys leave a bunch of comments below, tell us what we want to do, what you guys want us to try next. We'll do another round where we'll try and freeze those first too.
I'll probably go with bacon Ritz my first, pizza second, Doritos third. These ones didn't have a whole lot of flavor.
Yep, I'm same boat. Bacon pizza.
These ones did not work out. They taste good, they didn't work out, so they're off my charts at least.
Delicious.
Not bad.
Thanks so much for watching.
Yes, thank you for the suggestions, Lisa, Troy, and Charlotte.
Don't forget to like,
And
comment, share, subscribe. Check us
SNW
out.
Heather.
Yeah, Snow Heather. Wow. Check us out on our social media. And don't forget to follow us on, or support us, if you can, on Patreon. We'd appreciate your support. And we'll see you guys in the next video.